this update is just out. It's not like it's just out today. This update has been over a year now, but it is not outside. It is not popular to people because of number one, because of Pi network. It work exactly like Pi network, but because of Pi network have launched now, so the people there before are now the one bringing it out that it's also work like Pi network, and some people are now buying the token. Like now, I just start mining this thing yesterday, so when I decided to do a video today. So to do this thing, to just mine this thing is simple. They are already buying the token, like one token now. Remember when Pi started from a token of 150 naira. Some people said their Pi token, one Pi 50 naira. They buy till the time they want to launch. Some people said their own 2,000. Some people said their own 1,500. Some people said their own 1,000. Some people said their own 700 naira. That was back then, like 5 years ago when Pi just started. But this, if you have one ruby, they are buying it from you 1,000 naira. Imagine you have 200 ruby, that is 200,000 naira. So for you just to mine and to sorry, my phone, and for you just to sell, that one is the simple part. You can message me on my, I'm going to drop my channel on the description, but the first majority thing to do is for you to mine, and the mining is not hard. You see, I started yesterday and I already have one ruby already. So for you getting getting more ruby, you just have to have a group like this. Create a invitation code. You can just put I like using AY11. So then let me put then update. So they'll give you your invitation code, then you can copy. So I'm going to drop the link, and I don't need to drop the link, or I'll drop the link. I'll drop the link in the description box and in the comment section. So after dropping the link, it's going to take you direct to the Play Store. After the Play Store, you'll see something like this. For you to confirm that I'm just downloading this app yesterday. So you click on open when you install download it, finish or install it. Click on open. When you open, it's going to bring something like this. And what you just have to do is just to click on this icon here. Just be clicking it every 24 hours, exactly like Pi network. Finish. They have not tell us the time they are going to launch, but I will advise you to just be sending. Let me just tell you, maybe 10% of what you mine, maybe every 6 months. Maybe you mine 600 token of it. Just say 60% of it, 60%. I say 60%, 10%, which is 60 token of Ruby. Just set 60 token, which is 60,000. So if you are saying you should be sending it every month, maybe you make 50 will be every month. You want to be sending it. When the data launch, you are going to regret it. You know, some people say they are Pi 150 5 years ago. They are also regretting now. So don't be like those people. If you can even do it, not to sell it at all. For me, I'm not selling my own. But if you want to sell it, maybe you need the money, you can message me, and I can also give you the people you are going to message direct to, so that they can you can transfer it to them and they'll send your money to you direct. So after that, the next thing you have to do is if you have already mined for, I've not mined for 30 days, but if after you mine for 30 days you come to this place to do a verification, it have it have KYC and it has migration. If you are a Pi member, but if you mine Pi, you will see that Pi have a KYC. The KYC means they should verify you that you are maybe you are a woman, not one, and you are maybe you are a citizen of in Nigeria, USA, UK, and so on. So to do the KYC is for you being on this app for straight 30 days, not to lose for like you must be consistent in it for 30 days. You just have to click this thing here. So it's loading. This is it here, not yet verified. Just click on it like this and click on continue. Complete ownership information over 30 days. You see, I've not mine up to 30 days. After that, have at least 30 Ruby. Receive invitation from KYC 1.5. I don't know the meaning of this, but in the next video I'm going to explain better. And if you don't also know the meaning, maybe you have mind up to that, you can ask it in the comment section if I forgot. So these are what just what you have to do. Mine for 30 days, have at least 30 Ruby, and receive invitation from KYC. Oh, I don't understand it. You have to receive an invitation from a person who have verified a KI, like a person who has been verified. That is for you sending a person sending a friend request to you. So that one is simple. If you register under me, we are going to verify ourselves together. So what is the next thing is um for you clicking here. This is the first one I show you is about KYC. This second one is how to migrate. Let me explain the two parts. For KYC is for you just to verify that you are a woman and you are from this country. But to migrate is for you transferring it to other people. From the beginning of the video, I told you you can transfer it to a person, which is like 1 ruby is 1,000 naira. If you transfer 200 ruby is 200,000 naira. So to be able to transfer a wood amount like that is for you to verify. This is its user verified. So it's going to tell you on verified KYC account. You need to do KYC verification for your account to use this function. So you have to first do a KYC before you can migrate this. So I think that's all for this video. So any question should be asked in the comment section, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.